Dear ye of first class, Mr. Dunk here. Let's have a look at our Irish for today. We're going to be watching a video and there will be a few activities, games at the end that you can have a go at as well. I also just mentioned on today's notes that if you'd like to download the Bunacainta for yourself, I sent an email on Monday morning to all of the parents and carers. So there are details in that attachment to do that. Anyway, let's get on with today. Okay, as usual, we'll listen to the video once, and then a second time where I will translate what they're saying for you. Let's see if you can figure out what they're saying by yourself.
Bhí an lá fuair flach agus gaeilge. Bhí sé cur báistí. Bhí scammel sa spéid.
Chuid tú de chóta báistí ort.
Chuid mé mo chóta báistí orm.
Chuid tú de hata báistí ort.
Chur mé mo hata báistí orm.
Chuid tú de bhútaisí ort.
Níor chuid mé mo bhútaisí orm.
Cud ort de bhútaisí. Chuid tú de lábhaní ort.
Níor chur mé mo lábhaoiní orm.
Cud ort de lábhaní. Chuid tú de scarf ort.
Níor chuid mé mo scarf orm.
Cud ort de scarf. Slán go fóil.
Slán.
Okay, let's listen to that one more time, and this time I'll translate for you.
Bhí an lá fuair flach agus gaeilge.
Bhí an lá fuair flach agus gaeilge. Well, you should know some of those words. And when you see the word or hear the word V, that means it's something that's already happened. So it means was or were. Bhí an lá fuair flach agus gaeilge. The day was cold, wet, and windy.
Bhí sé cur báistí.
Bhí sé cur báistí. It was raining.
Bhí scammel sa spéid.
Bhí scammel sa spéir. There were clouds in the sky.
Chuid tú de chóta báistí ort.
Chuir tú de chóta báistí ort. Did you put on your raincoat? Chóta báistí is raincoat. Did you put on your raincoat?
Chuid mé mo chóta báistí orm.
Chuir mé mo chóta báistí orm. I put on my raincoat. I put on my raincoat.
Chuid tú de hata báistí ort.
Chuir tú de hata báistí ort. Did you put on your, well, rain hat, I suppose you could call that.
Chur mé mo hata báistí orm.
I put on my hat, my rain hat.
Chuid tú de bhútaisí ort.
Chuir tú de bhútaisí ort. Did you put on your boots?
Níor chuid mé mo bhútaisí orm.
Níor chuir mé mo bhútaisí orm. I did not put on my boots, as you can see in the picture.
Cud ort de bhútaisí.
Chuir ort de bhútaisí. Put on your boots. And remember, when we see the word do, that means you or your, and mo, my.
Chuid tú de lábhaní ort.
Chuir tú de lábhaní ort. did you put on your... What do you think Lavany is? Well, lava is hands. Lavany, gloves. Erchwir to the Lavany art. Did you put on your gloves?
Níor chuir me mo lámhaoiní orm.
Nearchwir me mo Lavany orm. I didn't put on my gloves.
Cuir ort do lámhaní.
Put on your gloves.
Chuir tú the scarf ort.
Erchwir to the scarf art. Did you put on your scarf? The word ort and urim means to put on something. Art if you're talking about someone, if you're talking to someone. Urim if you're talking about yourself.
Níor chuir me mo scarf orm.
Nior chuir me mo scarf urim. I didn't put on my scarf.
Cuir ort the scarf.
Ort, oh, scarf. You've guessed it. Put on your scarf. A very loving dad, but a bit bossy, I think.
Slán go fóil.
Bye for now.
Slán.
Goodbye. And off they go into the cold, wet and windy day. Let's have a go at some activities. See how many you can get right. You're going to hear a sentence. Is a sentence. Sorry. You're going to hear a question. And you have to answer yes or no.
Fear no bregoch.
En níamh chuir tú de chóta báistí ort?
Where to the coat the báistí ort? Does she have her coat báistí on? Yes or no?
Chuir me mo chóta báistí orm.
Raus.
It.
En níamh chuir tú de lámhaní ort?
Or where to the Lavany art? Does she have her Lavany on? What's Lavany?
Chuir me mo lámhaoiní orm.
Raus.
En níamh chuir tú de bhútaisí ort?
What is she? What are Vutashi?
Níor chuir me mo bhútaisí orm.
Raus.
No, she didn't have her
En
boots on.
níamh chuir tú de hata báistí ort?
Hata Boshti.
Níor chuir me mo hata báistí orm.
Raus.
We'll do one more.
En níamh chuir tú de scarf ort?
Where to the scarf art? Where may most scarf orum or near? Where may most scarf orum?
Chuir me mo scarf orm.
Raus.
Very good. Okay. Next one. Find the odd one out. Well, it's not too difficult to find it, but do you know what it's called?
Feig on count cor.
Feig on count core. Find the odd one out. There it is. What is it called?
Skammel. Raus. Feig on count cor. Hatte bosti. Raus. Feig on count cor.
Make sure you pause between each one if you can't remember what it's called and you need some thinking time.
Lavini. Raus. Feig on count cor.
Do you know what rainbow is in Irish?
Tor ka. Raus.
Poor cat.
Feig on count cor.
What are boots called?
Boortesie. Raus.
Last one.
Feig on count cor.
Do you remember it?
Tor ka. Raus. Feig on count cor.
And the other one out this time would be Lavany. Okay, last activity.
Kangel na hiviracha.
Kangel na hivracha. Connect or join the numbers. What will it be? And please, if you don't mind, can you repeat each number after I press on it? It's good practice. So, 11. How do we say 11?
A hein deag.
Hein deag.
A do yeag.
A do yeag.
A tree deag.
A tree deag.
A cahir deag.
A cahar deag.
A cuig deag.
A cuig deag.
A she deag.
A she deag. Cad Asian. What is it? Any guesses?
A shacht deag.
A shocked deag.
A hocht deag.
A hocht deag. Do you know what it is yet?
A nui deag.
Ila Isagam, I do not know. A nui deag. And finally,
Fihe. On boortesie eert.
an boot she eat. Are they boots?
Sja,
They are.
is boortesie eet.
Raus.
Okay. That's it for Irish today. I hope you got more right than you did wrong. I'm sure you did. And I shall see you soon. Bye.